everyone, it's Anna, and today I'm really excited to share something that's been making a real difference for men's health, ProstaVive. Thousands of men, no matter their age, are experiencing the benefits of this amazing supplement. But what actually makes it stand out? So I'm going to explain all of this in this video so you guys don't want to miss out, okay? Basically, it's packed with prostate-supporting nutrients that help keep your prostate healthy and functioning like it actually should. Now, you might be wondering what makes ProstaVive so special compared to other products out there. Well, it focuses on promoting healthy blood flow to the prostate. According to research from Fukushima Medical University in Japan, improving circulation around the prostate helps the body metabolize cells better. When blood flow is in good shape, it can positively affect urine flow and help maintain a healthy prostate size. So think of it like this. When your prostate is working well, you'll notice improvements in other areas too, like better sleep, a more active love life, and greater confidence overall. This is where ProstaVive shines. Its formula optimizes how your cells function and supports better blood flow, helping you enjoy strong urine flow, peaceful nights, and a more vibrant sex life. Just imagine, by drinking 1 glass of ProstaVive daily, you can support your prostate health, improve your sleep, and even boost your energy and vitality. With regular use, you'll not only feel more refreshed, but also ready to take on the day with confidence and ease, you guys. So what actually is inside ProstaVive that makes it so effective? Each scoop is loaded with powerful, natural nutrients. It contains ingredients like boron, ashwagandha, fenugreek, panax ginseng, maca root, nettle root, and more. When combined in just the right amounts, these nutrients work together to support prostate health, improve urine flow, and revitalize your sexual energy. As you begin to see these benefits, you can look forward to deeper, more restful sleep, higher energy levels, and the confidence to enjoy life's activities every day. Picture yourself feeling revitalized and fully ready to embrace all that life has to offer. And here's some amazing news for you all. When you purchase ProstaVive from the official website, which you guys will find down below, you're backed by a 100% guarantee for 180 days. This gives you plenty of time to try it out risk-free. Plus, the official site often offers great discounts, making it easier to start your journey to better prostate health. And remember, you guys are going to find the link down below in the description of this video. It's the only place you're going to find the real deal. So if you're ready to take control of your health and experience the benefits of a well-functioning prostate, give it a try. Your future self will be happy. Thank you guys for being here today. And remember, taking care of your health is super important. And with ProstaVive, you probably have an amazing ally on your side. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.